Hi YouTubers, Dave out in Western Pennsylvania, USA, and I'm running a short 15 cycle study, charge discharge ratio so far of the capacities for charge discharge 0.032 milliamp hours, 1-to-1 ratio. So far that's pretty good. Okay, my point is graphite felt is non-isotropic. So in other words, with the preparation of the graphite felt, if you're running some simple studies in circuits, I have a section of graphite here, graphite felt, lightly nickel plated. I'll post in a better video, better prepared video produced. What I mean by lightly nickel plated. In other words, 4 volts for a very short period of time, maybe a minute. Light nickel plating. We'll be doing scanning electron microscopic studies. And then, without sealing it in any way, stainless steel clips, alligator clips for series circuit with a couple of supercaps. And here's the electronic load. Try running step levels and place that graphite in the vertical position and then run it in the horizontal position. Just turn it around 90-degree angle, run it vertical, run it horizontal, same section of course, same specimen. This has had on the surface, top and bottom, an application of a deep eutectic solvent, in this case anhydrous zinc chloride with acetamide, 1-to-4 respectively mole ratio, easily prepared, and that has 18% mass lithium bromide to make an electrolytic solution. And I also placed in the DES electrolyte solution some expanded graphite. Now, I'm not going to in this video talk about the difference between exfoliated and expanded graphite. I'll post a separate video on that. But I applied that to the top and bottom of the graphite felt. That's part of this small study. But I can tell you with step levels, and I'll post the data, there is a difference on whether you have that section applied vertical or horizontal. There's a small but noticeable difference. So I'll post this with the numbers. So in the future, when I cut graphite felt, I'm going to actually leave a stem at the top and bottom of the felt for connection to the alligator clips. Bypass those stainless steel clips. I'm looking ahead to making prototype supercaps. But I'll be looking at this very carefully in terms of the orientation. And I don't know if a lot of people pick up on that or not. But there was a difference. Small but noticeable difference, improvement when it is placed in this vertical position in reference to the simple series circuit. There's the ratios for charge discharge, and I look at the 0.032 milliamp hour 1-to-1 ratio. So far so good, 0.032. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.